Hey guys, Elmer from the Salem Boys and Girls Club. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a dog toy out of a t-shirt.
We're going to need two things for this project. A pair of scissors and an old t-shirt.
So you're going to want to cut against the lines that are shown on the picture.
So this is what you're left with. Now the second step is going to be to cut this part off and cut this part off. This is what you should get. You should get one piece of t-shirt, two pieces of t-shirt. Now the next step is going to be to cut the t-shirt up into strips.
For this part, you're going to want to take all of your pieces of t-shirt and tie them together with another piece of t-shirt. At this point, you're going to have 3 groups, and in each group, you're going to have 2 strips of t-shirt. All you're going to want to do is take the left side and bring it over the middle, and then take the right side and bring it over the middle. And you're going to want to keep repeating this, and throughout this whole process, you're going to want to make sure you're doing this tight. The tighter you do it, the stronger it's going to hold in the end. Now you're going to want to take a scrap piece of t-shirt that you have and tie the end with it. If you feel like you have too much t-shirt hanging out from the side, then you can just cut it out and rip it apart.
What's this? Nope. Sit. Paul. Go, boy. All right, go ahead. You got a brand new toy right there, too.